Look at this. So many goddamn bees. Look at this shit, man. Are they honeybees or killer bees? Yeah, just running Galita. Doing my exercise before rain comes. Look at that. I thought they already took that shit down, but the bees are coming back. That means there's that bitch in. Whoa! Oh, fuck me. Yep, fuck me. They're pissed. Look at that, got stung. Probably got stung on my sweater. Yeah, look at this shit, man. Fuck that. I'm sure Gavin Newsom's going to kill this shit. Say, oh, the bees got coronavirus. Oh, look at that one bee got stuck on the web. Oh, how nice. Oh, I'm gonna stop this recording and kill it.